In this video, we will discuss the Mentored Career Development Awards for postdocs and early career faculty available from the National Institute on Aging. NIA supports a variety of training and career development opportunities for students, early career investigators, and clinician researchers, both at the individual and the institutional levels. Career Development Awards, often referred to as K Awards, are individual awards to support career growth across stages, typically from postdoc to early career faculty. There are several reasons why an investigator would seek career development or K Awards, and these include K Awards fund protected research time to learn new skill sets. K Awards can foster early independence, and while not required to attain further funding for your research, K Awards can help attract additional funding or research support. NIA supports a variety of K Awards, and you can find the active funding opportunities, both parent and institute-specific, by clicking on this link. NIA specifically supports two types of K Awards, the Career Transition Awards and the Career Development Awards. While the choice between these awards depends on an individual's specific career stage and goals, NIA training staff is happy to discuss with you which award may be the most appropriate for your specific circumstances. Clinician scientists may be especially interested in the K99 and K22 awards, as well as in the K08 and K23 opportunities, and in the Beeson K76 Emerging Leaders in Aging Award. NIA K awards have many characteristics in common. They all provide salary and research support for up to 5 years, and most have 3 due dates per year. Please note that at NIA, except for the Beeson K76 award, K eligibility is independent of early stage investigator or ESI status. While other NIH institutes have specific requirements, NIA does not place limits on the number of years after degree conferral a K award applicant may have. Candidates who can justify the need for mentored career development training in aging research, in addition to the research project, are encouraged to apply. And it is up to the individual researcher to provide a compelling justification for the need for mentor career development in aging at this stage of their career. Please note that Mentor K Awards are intended for early career researchers who have not yet had R01 funding. For established investigators at the mid or senior career stage, NIA also supports a series of non-mentored K Awards. It's important to note that for many K Awards, individuals can apply as a postdoc, but may be required to hold a faculty position by the type of award. However, this position may or may not be tenure track. The Beeson K76 award is intended for slightly more advanced junior to mid-career faculty who, while not yet having received R01 level funding, already have leadership experience and faculty level research support in aging research. Please note that while K awards require a commitment of 75% full-time professional effort to the K activities, NIA will allow surgeons to devote 50% of their full-time professional effort in all years of the award for the purpose of maintaining clinical competency. For the purposes of this policy, a surgeon is a physician who is clinically active in one of the 14 surgical subspecialties recognized by the American College of Surgeons. Importantly, both current and pending awards are eligible for this effort reduction, meaning that surgeons who already have a K award can request a reduction of effort citing this notice, and investigators submitting a new K application can do so committing 50% effort based on their status as a clinically active surgeon. For initiatives that have involvement from various NIH institutes and centers, it is important to always access the table of IC-specific information, requirements, and staff contacts to understand the various institute-specific requirements, areas of research interest, and scientific contacts, as these may vary institute to institute. Now we will discuss the K99 and K22 Career Transition Awards available to individuals in postdoc and other equivalent mentored non-independent positions. The NIA K22 award was developed as a complement to the more well-known K99 Postdoc to Tenure Track Faculty Transition Award. And this slide provides a comparison of the similarities and differences between the two. The first difference is in the number of years of postdoctoral experience an applicant may have at the time of application. Up to 4 years of postdoc experience for the K99 award, and between 2 and 8 years of postdoc experience for the K22 award. The second difference is that if recommended for funding, the K99 will provide up to 2 years of funding at the postdoctoral stage. The K22, on the other hand, will not provide funding at the postdoctoral stage and instead provide an approval letter that gives the candidate up to 1 year to secure a tenure track faculty position. Importantly, both awards will provide up to 3 years of funding at the faculty level. Please note that while the parent K99 award does not require the candidate to have U.S. citizenship or permanent residency, the K22 award does require U.S. citizenship or permanent residency at the time of award. This slide shows that in addition to the parent K99 funding announcement, NIA participates in a variety of K99 funding opportunities. Please note that the choice between these is based on the specific eligibility requirements of each opportunity, as well as the area of aging research proposed. While the parent K99, Mosaic K99, and NIA K22 opportunities welcome projects in all areas of aging research, some of these opportunities have a more narrow scientific focus, and it is important to determine whether your research is a good fit for these opportunities as early in the process as possible. Importantly, NIA is proud to be the first NIH institute to offer K99 sample applications and summary statements, including the original submission and the resubmission. We invite you to check those out, as well as sample applications for all types of K awards available through the NIH website. Of particular interest to clinician scientists is the Bison K76 Emerging Leaders Award in Aging. This award is for individuals with early stage investigator or ESI status who have already held faculty level research support in aging, whether federal, private, or institutional, and who can show evidence of past and plans for future leadership in aging research. This award has the added benefits of participating in the annual Bison Scholars meeting hosted by the American Federation for Aging Research, where awardees can network with current and past Bison scholars and with NIA staff. We invite you to keep in touch with NIA training staff by emailing us at niatraining@mail.nih.gov. We are happy to answer your policy and eligibility questions, and if you are interested in receiving feedback on your specific aims, we can also put you in touch with an NIA scientific program official in your specific field. We also invite you to browse our recently updated NIA training website and consider signing up for our monthly NIA newsletter for up-to-date news about NIA's training and career development opportunities. Thank you for your interest in the National Institute on Aging. We look forward to hearing from you.